Flav out. I mean, it wasn't supposed to be about no points. It wasn't about that, bro. It wasn't about that nigga. That nigga, mama, that nigga, that's my mama coins. Them was his mama coins, nigga. It wasn't about that, bro. It wasn't about no clout. Nigga, it was simply with the principalities and this shit, bro. You're playing my mama deductible, nigga. It's my mama coins. Can't be mad at that man for that, bro. He don't get no points, but you can't be mad at that man. You know what I'm saying? Real nigga. You know my mama coins. I'd rather dark-skinned girls. I mean, yeah, because you a light-skinned nigga too, blood. Dark-skinned girls like light-skinned niggas. Don't you know opposites attract, blood? Dark-skinned girls like light-skinned niggas. Light-skinned girls like black-ass niggas, blood. Pretty straight. I'm saying, blood. That's how it be, blood. Light-skinned girls don't like y'all niggas. They like dark-skinned niggas, blood. They already light-skinned, blood. They don't need no more cream. They don't need no more cream, blood. They already light-skinned, blood. They like dark niggas. That's why you always see the light-skinned bitches, the light-skinned bad bitches with the black-ass gangster niggas, blood. Because they like black niggas, blood. Because you light-skinned niggas be feeling it anyway a little bit, blood. You niggas, light-skinned niggas act a certain way, blood. Like, don't lie. You know light-skinned niggas like act a certain kind of way, blood. You niggas like kind of different. You know y'all different. Shit. You know y'all different, though, I'm saying. Live from Chicago, love from Chicago. What up, Chicago? I fuck with Chicago, bro. Chi-town, real drillers, bro. I fuck with Chicago. I don't want to come, though, but I fuck with Chicago. I don't want to come, though. The new species. Maserati Bags wants to request to go live in your video. Let me see. Is this a man or not? This a dude? No fucking way. Not this summer, bruh. Not this summer, bruh. I don't want to look at your face, bruh. It's after 9 o'clock too, bruh. I don't know, bruh. It's like after 8 o'clock, bruh. I don't want to look at you, bruh. Same, bruh. I got a bitch in the bed, bruh. What I want to look at you for, bruh? Same. You seen that nigga Desiigner, blood? Real starboy, blood. I had to watch that video back a couple times. Like, blood, that was a real starboy shit, blood. Like, who just pulled their dick out in the heat of battle, blood? Who just pulled their dick out? It's bracket. Nigga trying to squabble. You pull your, that's what you, the first thought come in your head. Suck my dick. That turns you on, blood. That turns you on. You pull out your dick, blood. Ain't that a decent exposure or something? That wasn't a crime. Wasn't the police sitting right there? You didn't see the little bullshit ass police car sitting right there? Ain't that indecent exposure or something? They would have ran your ass in Cali. I ain't gonna lie. They would have ran your ass in. Get your goofy ass over here, blood. Pulling out your tallywhacker and shit on it, but get your goofy ass over here, blood. They would have ran your ass in Cali, blood. I'm saying, ain't that a decent exposure or some shit? Who just pull that dick out, blood? It's bracket. I'm finna squabble with some niggas. You know what? Fuck you. You a bitch ass nigga. You a bitch ass nigga. You know what? Blood, suck my dick. Get your goofy ass out of here, blood. What? You can't even fuck you up, blood. Who fucks up a nigga with his dick hanging out, blood? Who wanna fight a nigga with his dick hanging out, blood? I don't wanna fight you with your dick hanging out, blood. I feel like I'm sword fighting, blood. If you pull your dick out in the heat of battle, blood, that's like a sword fight, blood. You challenge me to a sword fight, blood. You don't wanna squabble. You challenge me to a sword fight, blood. So, fucking, blood. Nigga wanna play with the lightsaber. It's bracket. You wanna play with the lightsabers. Nigga pull out his tallywhacker when it's bracket, blood. It's bracket. It's full flash finna brat. This nigga want all the smoke, blood. You know what blood do? He pulls out his tallywhacker. Blood pulled out his tallywhacker. Ask him to smooch his pickle. Pulled out his tallywhacker. Ask him to smooch his pickle. Simple. Really. This nigga, blood, Jesus, blood. This nigga is bracket, blood. It's on right now, blood. This nigga pull his dick out, blood. Nigga don't pull the burner out. You know, LA niggas usually pull out the burner. Nigga pull out the burner, blood. What the fuck, blood? What you saying, blood? This nigga pulled his dick out, blood. Challenge him. What you want, a duel, blood? Challenge him to a duel. You want a sword fight, blood? Suck my dick. That's what you want. That's what you want to do right now, blood. It's bracket. This man's steaming, blood. You want to pull your dick out, blood. That's what you did. That's what you did? That's the one you gonna stick with, bro? Shit. Shit, bro. Can't trust a nigga named Desiigner, bro. Desiigner. Then blood try to spell it with the 2 I's. You said Desiigner. You try to spell it with the double I. Blood, you ain't double I, nigga. You ain't Inglewood to Ill-Town. Bro, take that other I out your fucking name. Desiigner. Take that other I out your name, blood. You ain't double I, blood. You ain't Inglewood to Ill-Town, nigga. Queen Street to Dirty Jersey, blood. You ain't Inglewood to Ill-Town, stupid. Take that other I out your name, blood. Shit. Desiigner. With 2 I's. Fuck out of here. Yeah, that was some gay shit, bro. Some gay shit. Eyes, brother. Eyes. It was bragging. This nigga pulled his dick out, bro. To let you know. He pulled his dick out before he swung, though. He tried to swing at the end. But you try to swing, you just pulled your dick out, blood. He don't want to fight now, blood. He don't want to fight now. You just pulled your dick out, blood. You know what I'm saying, blood? Now you want me to squabble with you, you just had your dick in your hand, blood. Now you want me, like, blood, what if you got fucking chlamydia or something? You just had your dick out in your hand, blood. Now you squabble with me, and you get a little bit in my eye, blood. Now I got fucking chlamydia, blood. You know what I'm saying, blood? Who fighting, blood? Fuck out of here, blood. Shit. Jesus, blood. You know where the video at, blood. You seen the fucking video. Y'all seen it. Go find it. Go look it up. Y'all seen it. You know where the video's not on my page, though. I don't want to put a nigga pulling his dick out on my page, blood. It's bragging in the heat of battle. You pull your dick out, blood. He removes his tallywhacker from his pants, blood. Had his cheeks out, too. The cheeks was out, too. They didn't zoom in. Their cheeks was out, too. Blood pulled his pants down, pulled out his tallywhacker, blood, and asked him to smooch his pickle. That's what he did. Shit. Jesus, bro. You saw it? You saw that shit, bro? That's it, bro. I didn't want to post it on my page because I don't want to post a nigga pulling his dick out on my page. Why would I post that, bro? I don't want to post that nigga. Niggas heat of battle is bragging, bro. You pull your dick out, bro. I don't want to post that. Shit, bro. Jesus, bro. Somebody should have fucked that nigga up with his dick out, bro. Somebody should have beat his ass with his dick out, bro. Left that nigga dick out on. Since you want to pull your dick out, all right. Beat that nigga ass and leave him knock the fuck out dick out. How about that, blood? How about that? Since you want to pull your dick out in the heat of battle, blood, knock that nigga the fuck out, blood, and leave that nigga dick out on the ground. Shit, blood. Since you want to pull your tallywhacker out and ask a nigga to smooch your pickle, all right, blood, knock that nigga the fuck out, leave him dick out on the ground, blood. Shit. Hold on, right quick. Saying, bro, all this become too much at times, bro. Saying, bro. Should have kicked him in his nuts. Nah, bro. Nah, you don't kick a nigga in his nuts. Nah, when a nigga do shit like that, you don't kick him in his nuts, bro. You knock blood the fuck out and leave that nigga dick out on the ground, bro. Leave that nigga dick out. That's what you call it, knock his dick in the dirt. Blood pull his dick and you supposed to knock his dick in the dirt, bro. That's what you do to a nigga like that, bro. That's what we call that in Cali, bro. Knock his dick in the dirt, bro. You want to pull his dick out when it's breaking, all right. Knock his dick in the dirt. See? Shit, bro. Man, this fool watching gay dudes dancing in tiles and shit. Now he's talking about blood. What are you talking about, blood? Look, watch this, blood. God, get your goofy ass the fuck out of here. Shut the fuck up, blood. Yeah, that Starboy shit, yeah, it was. It was. Desiigner, another one, Desiigner. Yeah, that's what you did, bro. That's what he did. Shit. It's always some Starboy shit going on, bro. You see, it's always some shit, like every minute, every moment, like every minute, every moment. Like every minute, every moment, every day. It's always something, bro. It's never over, bro. The job is never done, bro. It's never over. Richmond tapped in. What up, Richmond, man? We just talk about this gay ass nigga Desiigner, blood. You see gay ass nigga Desiigner all over the airways right now, blood. It was bragging in the heat of battle. This nigga wanna pull his dick out, blood. That's what we talking about, blood. Talk another Starboy rapper. Like we always talk, another Starboy rapper, another Starboy incident. Shit. Usual shit, like usual shit, you know. New millennium shit. Well, what's the deal, blood? Show my jungle style now. Show it, blood. RJ versus Greedo. Wonder who gonna win. I don't know. Won't you go find out, though? Go find out. Go find out. Okay. Blocked. Your goofy ass out here, man. Let's see. YouTube. Blocked. Get your goofy ass out here. Starboy rapper, that's one of them designer drugs. Yeah, pretty much. Pretty much about sums of that. That about sums of that. Look, watch this. What's the deal? What's up with my nigga up, blood? The baddest dog saying what's up to Skull. Sex doll Nicki Minaj. Oh yeah. Winner, we'll find out in a second. I'm curious about that. I'm saying. They want to see too. Guess not. She didn't wake up like that. She didn't wake up like that. You know what I'm saying? Notice how most star boys from the east. Yeah, a lot of them. And the south, the east and the south, Yeah, you know, it's a couple on the west, but yeah, the east and the south, yeah, it's real big, real huge. Huge epidemic out there. Fucking huge. Damn as fuck, add me. Like, why the fuck would I want to add you, bro? Like, listen, bro, like, why the fuck would you think I want to look? Like, it's after 9 o'clock at night. It's fucking dark outside, nigga. I've been smoking and drinking all day. What the fuck make you think I want to look at your face, bro? I'm saying, like, really, blood, honestly, like, for you niggas to be niggas, blood, it's after 9 o'clock, after 9 o'clock at night, blood. I don't even fucking know you, blood. You a fucking nigga. I've been smoking and drinking all fucking day. What make you think I want to look at your fucking face right now, blood? What the fuck do I want to go live with you talking about, blood? After 9 o'clock at night, blood. I'm saying, bro. Dizzy, bro. It's crazy. Nigga want to go live with me. Hey, tag me in. Oh my God, add me. But that was a broad. Who the fuck, blood? Who the fuck is blood? I'm saying, that was a broad. Jesus. Fucking after 9 o'clock at night, I've been smoking and drinking all day. What the fuck? You think I want to talk about another? I want to look at another nigga face. I'm sitting here already talking about a Starboy rapper that pulled his dick out and heat a battle. Now you want to jump on and go live with me after that conversation. But I don't want to fucking talk to you, bro. I'm saying, bro. Nothing personal, bro. Just business. Just business. Always with the business. Nothing personal. Just always with the business. Jesus. Nigga just want to screenshot a pic of you and him, right? That gay shit, bro. Weirdo. Fucking let's go live. Then you want to screenshot it and then put it on your page. Hey, I just went live with Boskoe. Fucking gay. Starboy shit, bro. Starboy shit, bro. So all you want to do, oh my God, he really answered. Click. Screenshot. Just like a bitch. Screenshot. Jesus. Fucking gay, man. Jesus. Fucking niggas. Fuck, man. So have you been interested in men ever? I'm curious. Fuck out of here. Kill blood in the front, man. Somebody shoot, bro. Fuck, kill that nigga in the front, bro. Don't tell nobody else, bro. Fuck this nigga talking about, man. Man, these niggas weird, man. What the fuck, man? Did you see that? This nigga, man, this blood really just asked me that, man. Clean straight, man. That's what the fuck I be talking about, bro. That's why the fuck I do what I do, bro. You know why? Because it gotta be a thick yellow, like, bro, it need to be a thick yellow line drawn and fucking what Starboy shit is and what Gangster should be, blood. It's just like you know not to cross that street. You know when you driving down your side of the road, blood, and you know not to cross over into oncoming traffic, blood. You need to know what the fuck Starboy shit is, and they need to know not to cross into this oncoming traffic if you ran the fuck over, blood. I'm saying, blood, because the lines are starting to get blurred, blood. It's starting to get like, you feel me? Niggas don't know what Starboy shit is and what Gangster niggas should be, blood. I'm saying, bro, you seen that shit? Like, what, yeah, my job is not done, but I'm just getting started. Queen Street, I see my job is not done. I've only just begun, bro. I've only just begun. I'm saying, Queen Street, I've only just begun. That was weird, man. So have you ever, I could tell Blood has some gay thoughts, but you've had some thoughts before, but you've had some thoughts, you've had some some random feelings to go do some weird shit to go take the meat cut. You have some feeling, something inside you made you feeling like take the meat sometimes. Like, honestly, tell me, honestly, fucking weirdo stuff. It's a punk on the yard. It's a punk on the yard. Mas puto. Mas puto. It's a punk on the yard. Mas puto. Mas puto. Mas puto. It's a punk on the yard. Mas puto. I'm not a baby. I'm not a baby. I'm 23 years old. I got the tattoo. You see, I got the tattoo. You see, I got the tattoo. I'm 23 years old. I'm not a baby. Okay? I'm not a I'm Pellemino. I'm not a baby. I'm 23 years old. You see, I got it. Suck my dick. Suck my dick. Look at your ass beat by a fucking girl. I swear to fucking God, I'll beat your ass. He's what? He's what? I said move, bitch. I said move. Faggot ass motherfucker. I'll fucking kill you. Pussy. Why pressure wilding like that? Don't fuck at me. Don't fly away. My bitch, don't fly. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. What is that for? You gonna fuck me, nigga? Fuck out of here. Go. They gonna knock you out.
Got bottle, got weed, got mother. Tomorrow, where you? Why you look at me, motherfucker? I got blanket. I got butter, I got hookah. I know, I don't got hookah. Oh, but we got bitches, that's it. In my car, that's it. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Goo goo gaga, goo goo gaga. Goo goo gaga. You want some drink?